Hey, what up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be replacing a fuel filter on an '03 Mustang GT. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into the engine bay. We're going to pull out the fuse for the fuel pump, crank the engine. That should release the pressure from the fuel system. And you also need one of these tools. I got this at the Harbor Freight. Tool is like $5.99, and this is to disconnect a fuel lines from the fuel filter. So let's get the fuel fuse out, and then we're gonna crank the engine. All right, so here's a better diagram. The fuel pump fuse should be this bad boy right here in this corner. So we'll pull them up and let's crank the car. And just like that, no more fuel in the fuel system. I mean, in a fuel line. All right, we can put this back right now because we're not going to be cranking it anymore. Now let's get to the fuel filter. All right, so back of the car, we're gonna go underneath. And there's our fuel filter. So you're gonna need a screwdriver to get the nut out and be able to slide out and disconnect the lines by using one of these bad boys. Alright, so let's get that unscrewed and then let's get that unpried. We're like missing one on this side. One of these safety clips, but no big deal. All right, with this thing in, now I just have to push it towards this way, and then this thing should slide off. There she goes, son of a biscuit. Oh, yeah. All right, here's the new one, here's the old one. So we're just gonna reinstall it, and you don't need this tool to reinstall it. All you do is you clip in and it just catches on these little clips right here. All right, to reinstall it, the filter goes like this. It's like that, and then you put this clamp back over it, and then the fuel lines should just clip back in like this. See, this one's gonna click in right now, and just like that. You heard that click? It's not going anywhere. And same story on this side. This one didn't click yet, and there she goes. Alright, just like that. I'm gonna tighten this up, and that's it.